Hello, my dear children. I hope you all are waiting for the next part of the story. Then, what happened with Robin? Are you really interested to know what happened with Robin? And the sheriff really forgot him or not? Okay, we'll come to know in this story of this part of the story, right? So let us revise first. The sheriff arrested Robin. He put him in a prison or jail, and the jail was dark, dirty, and full of rat. But when Robin looked around the jail or prison or that room, he found a hole in that room, and he decided to fly away from this room. Okay. Then after that, at night he did the same thing. He climbed the wall and reached to the hole and jumped from there and went to his uncle's home. And he met with his uncle, talked for some time, but he decided to leave his uncle's house because it will be really troublesome if he would be staying with them again, because the sheriff will not listen to anybody. And he went to Sherwood Forest. There he decided to stay for a long time, and he also said that he always wanted to live in open area under the stars. And he also decided to hunt deers and rabbit for his food. And finally he said himself that when the sheriff would forget about him, he would move from that place. So let us understand, or let us come to know about more in this story. Sorry, beta. So at first Robin missed his family and his friends. So what happened at the very beginning, because he was not living alone earlier, but suddenly he started living alone. So he was missing his family and his friends, right? See, if you would be in his place, definitely you would be missing your family and friends, because you never stay alone. And in the forest, that to be in the forest, it is really a difficult job for anybody. But in a few weeks, but after a few weeks, he began to enjoy living alone. So after a few weeks, it becomes so easy for him to live alone in that forest. Because see, what happened at the beginning you would be any trouble, but it will be habituate later on. So धीरे धीरे वो अपनी हैबिट में आ जाता है, और फिर हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो ट्रबल करता हो उससे हम acquainted हो जाते हैं. So it becomes easy for us to live then. One day what happened, he was alerted by a sound of somebody running. So one day he was in the Sherwood Forest and he heard somebody is running in that forest. The running sound he could hear and become alert, because he was staying alone, hiding himself. So he saw who is running in the forest, and he saw a young man hiding in the bushes. And suddenly he saw a young man. He was hiding himself in bushes. Bushes means झाड़ियों के पीछे छोटे छोटे पौधे होते हैं, दैट इज बुशेस. एक साथ रहते हैं तो वो झाड़ी बन जाती है, राइट? तो झाड़ियों के पीछे वो छुप गया. ही क्रेप्ट अप बिहाइंड द मैन, एंड ही क्रेप्ट अप, ऐसे छोटे बच्चे जैसे चलते हैं ना, ऐसे घुटने के बल पर वो रेंगते हुए वो मैन के पास चला गया. हु आर यू? रॉबिन आस्क्ड. Okay, so he asked to the man, the young man, that who are you? And the man replied to him, my God, my goodness. Oh, that means he was scared, and suddenly said, oh my goodness, tum ho, that means, said the young man, whirling around the fearfully, whirling around fearfully. What is the meaning of whirling? Whirling means turning very quickly. See, it happens ना, तुम चुपके से छुपे हुए हो और पीछे से कोई आ जाए तो सडनली तुम चौंक के देखते हो, राइट? दैट इज नोन एज whirling अराउंड. डर के घूमकर देखना, दैट मीन्स. ओके. द शेरिफ अरेस्टेड me for something I didn't do and imprisoned me. And the sheriff, you know, he is not good man, right? He never understand anybody and put them in the forest. So the sheriff arrested him. That for that reason he didn't do anything. बिना कुछ किए भी उसको जेल में बंद कर दिया था. Who? The sheriff. I ran away and want to hide until the soldiers leave. And he said that I ran away and want to hide myself till the soldier leave that place. वहाँ से जब तक चले ना जाए तब तक वो छुप कर रहेगा. He said. Robin smiled and promised to help him. And Robin smiled and said, oh, don't worry my friend, I will help you to hide you. Okay. Why did he smile? Do you know? Because he also ran away from the sheriff's prison. उसके जेल से वो भी भागकर ऐसे ही आया था जिससे ये यंग मैन आ गया. The young man joined Robin in the forest, and the young man who came after Robin, okay, he joined Robin in the forest, and both were living together now. What is the name of the forest? Sherwood Forest. Very soon other young men came too, and slowly after few days or after few months other young men also came like that. वो शेरिफ से भागते हुए जंगल में छुपते थे, राइट? ऐसे करके बहुत सारे और यंग मैन आने लगे. So it's proved that the sheriff is not good, right? All of them were considered outlaws for some pretty reasons or the others. Okay, so all these young men, they consider, उनको बोला गया outlaws. Outlaws mean जो कंट्री से या सिटी से बाहर रहते हैं, जो सोसाइटी में नहीं रहते, they are known as outlaws. Here given meaning, people who have done something bad and are hiding to avoid for punishment, they are known as outlaws. जो कुछ किए हों और छुप के कहीं दूर रहते हैं, they are known as outlaws. Some had shot at the king's deer. कोई तो ऐसे थे कि किंग्स के डियर मार दिए थे, शॉट कर देते. Some had annoyed a rich or powerful landlord over simple matters, and some of the young men, they annoyed means किसी को परेशान करना, right? To the powerful landlord, जमींदारों लोगों को वो कुछ छोटे मोटे परेशान करते थे for a small matter. All these men came to Sherwood to escape injustice. और उनके साथ ऐसा पेश करते थे जैसे कि उन्होंने बहुत बड़ा कुछ गुनाह कर दिया हो, है ना? And that is the reason they run away from that prison and hide themselves. Okay. They gather around Robin and choose him as their leader. And they all came to Robin and they all chose Robin as their leader, because Robin had come to the Sherwood Forest at the first time. Then first वही आया था, right? Robin's men began to call him Robin Hood. Then Robin's men means all the young men, they started calling Robin to Robin Hood because he always wore a hood. This is known as hood. इस तरह का हुड वो हमेशा पहनता था, and that is the reason they called him Robin Hood. They promised to return everything that had been wrongfully taken from people. And all these men, young men, they promised themselves to return whatever they had taken from other people in a wrongful or wrongfully way. They would help the poor by taking money from the rich. But how will they help? Because they don't have any money. So they would help poor by taking money from the rich and give to the poor. So I will tell you how they were actually helping. So they would take money from rich men, and who all are in trouble, they would keep that money in front of their home. जो भी बेचारा रहता था, जिसको मदद की ज़रूरत होती थी, वो उनके घर के सामने वो पैसा रख देते थे, जो रिच मैन से और रिच फैमिली से लेकर वो लोग आते थे. ओके, अंडरस्टूड दिस मच? So very soon what happened? This tells the tales of Robin Hood. Robin Hood का ये behavior, bravery and acts of kindness spread to place far away from Sherwood. So everybody came to know about Robin's bravery and kindness. How kind he is. He always help poor. So this kindness everybody came to know, and they started liking Robin Hood. So Robin Hood and his fearless band means group. Robin and his fearless group of merry men. Of merry men क्यों कहा जाता था? Because they make other happy, and they are also happy by helping poor, right? That is what they call merry men. Merry means happy. Became famous as champions, and they become famous as champion. Do you understand what the meaning of champion? Yes, meaning given in a book. People who publicly support and fight for a good reason. Okay, of those in trouble and in need. तो जो भी सारे लोग ट्रबल में रहते थे उनको वो हेल्प करते थे. They were helping to the poor people, those were in trouble, and that is why that poor people, those were helped by Robin, they always praised for their kindness and bravery. And this story spreaded in all over area. Okay, the story from Sherwood. Okay, I hope you understand this chapter, right? See, in this story we came to know that whether you have did wrong or right in your life, how you are living, how you are treating other, that matters. See, even Robin Hood, he was imprisoned, he didn't do any mistake in his life, still he started living in the forest, but he never stopped helping other. He never stopped for his kindness or bravery. वो अपने bravery और kindness को कभी भी वो चीज़ से दूर नहीं रखा, right? So that is real life. Whatever the situation come to your life, don't mix your nature. You are kind, that means show your kindness. You are brave, show your bravery. You are loving, show your love to other, right? Okay, in our next class we will write question answer, or we will discuss question answer. Till then, read and try to solve your seen and unseen passages. Okay.